Bank surname meaning and history presented by coadb.com. Surname meaning: it is an English topographic name from the Middle English or Old Norse word bank, meaning hillside or riverbank, denoting someone who lived near such a feature, or perhaps a habitational name denoting someone from any of the many places named Bank. Early bearers included Richard del Bank and William del Bank in Lancashire in 1292, Nicholas del Bank and Adam del Bank, and Magota del Bank in Yorkshire in 1379. Knighthoods include Sir John Banks, born 1589. He was an English lawyer and politician who sat in the House of Commons and was Attorney General and Chief Justice to King Charles I during the English Civil War. Sir Ralph Banks, born 1631. He was knighted and was a member of the Privy Chamber. Sir Jacob Banks, born 1662, was a Swedish naval officer in the British service. He settled in England and became a Tory member of Parliament. Sir Henry Banks, born 1711, was an alderman and a sheriff of London. Sir Paul Banks was captain of the 20th Regiment and was knighted in 1785. Sir Edward Banks, born 1770, was an English civil engineer and pioneer of steamships. And Sir William Mitchell Banks, born 1842, was a Scottish surgeon. Noble titles held. The Banks Baronetcy of London was created in the Baronetage of England in 1661 for the wealthy merchant Sir John Banks. He had no surviving male issue, and the title became extinct upon his death in 1699. The Banks Baronetcy of Revesby Abbey in the county of Lancashire was created in the Baronetage of Great Britain in 1781 for the naturalist, botanist, and patron of natural sciences, Sir Joseph Banks. The title became extinct on his death in 1820. Estates and homes included Corfe Castle in Dorset, England, and Sowton Hall in Flintshire, Wales. Landed gentry included Banks of Kingston Lacy in Dorset, England, Banks of Winstanley Hall in Lancaster, and Upland House in Lancaster, and Letteroo in County Ross. Also Banks of Highmore House in Wigton, Cumberland. Notables included William John Banks, born 1786, an English politician, explorer, Egyptologist, and adventurer. William George Haughty Banks, born 1836, an English recipient of the Victoria Cross, which was the highest and most prestigious award for gallantry in the face of the enemy. Nathaniel Prentice Banks, born 1816, was an American politician from Massachusetts who served as governor there and was a Union general during the American Civil War. Enoch Marvin Banks, born 1877, was an American historian and professor at the University of Florida. In 1911, after the publication of an article attributing the cause of the American Civil War to slavery and criticizing the role of the Confederacy, he was forced to resign. And Mark Beal Banks, born 1883, an American football, basketball, and baseball player, coach, and college athletics administrator. Early settlers included Edward Banks in Virginia in 1622, Francis and Thomas Banks in Virginia in 1623, George William and Anne Banks came to Virginia in 1624, John Banks came to Connecticut in 1623, and Richard Banks came to Maryland in 1641. If you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coadb.com, link in the description. Thank you very much.